Today we will make sentences from the sight words. Are you ready?
Yes!
My cat is fat. My bag is big. My hat is red. Will. I will cook. I will go. I will do. She is my sister. She is kind. She is greedy. He is a boy. He is tall. He is good. Can. I can run. I can jump. I can cook. Odd. We are playing. You are writing. We are cooking. This is a rat. This is a mat. This is my book. That is my house. That is your pen. I like that ball. I like it. I will do it. I have done it. What is your name? What is this? What is that? I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Fun for everyone. For more videos, thank you.